Couple deer out here today. See if you can see any of them. One standing right there. The other one ran over this way. But this is my concern. Right there. That tree that's going across there, that must have fell down when we had a windstorm just the other day. And I have a package coming today. I'm going to do a video on that. One of them's going to my grandson for his car. This one here probably go to me. And, oh, there's the deer right there. Right there's one. See him right there? He's right there. You can also blow your screen up. They're out today, certain areas. Yeah, so it's just like I love watching the deer. I like filming the deer. I like doing that. Of course, you can't hunt in the residential area. I'm in the residential, and today it is 62 degrees where I'm at in Pennsylvania. It's called, let's just say, my town starts with a D, and it has a V in it. I'm not going to tell you where I'm at. I might have told you where I was, the town was, in a couple other videos, but anyway, I need to get some more subscribers. I'm at 45 subscribers, which is good with me. I appreciate that. I'm trying to find out where the deer are again. There's one down there standing. One right there. Right there's one standing. I'm not getting a neighbor's house. I don't want to get the neighbor's house. But this house right here, this property right there, it's for sale. It's for sale. My wife's tree here. It's got the purple flowers on it. I can't remember what this is called. I think it's a lilac tree. I'm not for sure. If anyone knows, leave it in the comments. It might be a lilac tree. Maybe my friend might know what kind of tree that is. If my wife was here, she's in the house. I'm outside, of course. She'll probably tell me what kind of tree that is. I think it's a lilac. I'm not for sure. It might be something else, but I can't remember what they are. But anyway, my concern's that tree right there that's down. Let me see if I can get it here. Where's that? Trying to get into this. Right there she is. I came out yesterday, didn't notice it at first, and I walked down through there to blow the little pathway that we got right there around the deer feeder and stuff. Go in one side, come out the other, same way, vice versa. And I happened to see that tree that fell. I have to cut. I'm going to cut it out I'm going to cut probably this section right here out, right there. That way, the deer could still come through. They still can hop over top of it, but I got to get it out of that pathway. Anyway, but I'm out of corn right now. I got to go get some corn, but I'm not sure when. I got a couple birds right here on the ground. Couple birdies right there. Right there's one. The other one's right there too. Well, yeah, got some birdies right there. There they both come up here. Feels like it's going to rain a little bit. Right there's some birdies right there. They might not see me right here. Looks like doves, or they look like the ones that, yeah, dove. They must be the ones that are out there and made a nest in front of my freaking light out there. Where are they at here? Where's she at? Right there she is. That's hard to count. They're a little pretty. The one there, and one there. But yeah, they're pretty fast, them two. Let me see if I can get them here. Can't get the other one. I don't know where the other one got to. Oh, she's way over by the wheelbarrow. She might be looking for a nesting place. Because she has nested down by the. She must have been. Right there was the wheelbarrow. She's right there. One's right there also. I can't get them in there. I'm trying to get them in there. Right there it is. There's one there. There they both are. They're this close to where I'm at. And they must not see me or something. But I could scare them off. Shut! Shut! They ain't even budging. Ha ha. Oh, they don't care I'm here. Them birds don't care. But that's all right with me. I thought I could chase them off, but they must be doves. The birds have. Right there. There they are. They have a nest out front of my front door. You have a little roof there. Well, they have a nest there. They come every year right there. And they're looking to feed their babies, which is fine with me. They're not scared here. Two birds. You girls want some food, go to the bird feeder. You find some food right there. Where are you going, young lady? Where are you two girls going? Where are you two birdies going? There's this one. She's going this way. She's going this way. That one's going that way. Yep, don't know where she's heading to. But, yeah. They're very smart birds. There it is. That one's going there. She might be getting a nest in here, probably. There's that one. I don't know where that one's going. Oh, she moved from me. Yeah, she must be her. Must be a nest there. I'm not gonna mess with them. That's probably where they're going, because they never were this close before. And I'm not gonna mess with them. If there is a nest there, that's fine, dandy. My wife would like that. So she would. She would really like that. See if I see them. Right there's one of them. But thought they'd be. There's two. There they both are. I don't know why they're so close. Probably gonna look for another place to nest up or something, but yeah, there goes them two. They're doves. I believe they're doves. And not turtle doves either. That I don't think. Uh, they used to come in the garage there and they nest inside on the shelf. My father-in-law used to leave them in there, and they would nest in there. So they would. And when the door opens up in the morning, they fly on out. They'll come back at a certain time. They come back right before dark, and they come back in. They get back on their nest, and we never messed with them. But yeah, so that's. Babe, I think these two birds. I think these two birds are doves. Babe, babe, where'd they go? Babe, babe, come here. I think there's two doves right here. I think there's two doves right here. They're walking together. Turtle doves. No, they ain't turtle doves, I don't think. But anyway, that's what I'm going to call them. Yeah, they're looking for food for their babies. You let them birdies alone. The girl came out, the doggy. She sees them. She don't like when they move because she started barking out. You see them? She's puffering up. She's puffering up there. Okay, young lady. Them birdies ain't hurting you. Them birdies are not hurting you. They're stopped right there. They must have. Hopefully they ain't gonna lay any eggs right there. If they do, they're gonna have to move them. But yeah, right there's two. Let's see me find on that. Where they at? I moved them for some reason. There they are. I was looking around at something else and accidentally moved them. Yeah, one's like just sitting there, as you see. The other one, he's looking around. Oh, she's eating. He or she is eating. I don't know if they're girls or not, but they, that's unusual for them to walk up as close as they were to my back porch, deck, I should say. And they just mind their own business going by. I even tried to scare them away, and they still hung around here. But yesterday I put some food in that dish for the squirrels, and they must have ate them all. But look, there's the birds again. Right there. And they're not woodpeckers, they're doves. Yeah, they'll probably walk on around to the front of the house there, and then they'll get up, fly up onto their nest. They're two females. I'm pretty sure of that. So anyway, you know, there's your video. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Enjoy it.